In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate tables in Notion. Duplicating a table is really handy when you already have a layout you like and you don't want to rebuild it from scratch. Maybe you've set up a great task tracker or content planner, and you just need another version with the same properties but fresh data. Instead of recreating every column and setting again, you can simply copy the entire table in just a couple of clicks. First, open the Notion page that contains the table you want to duplicate. Make sure you're in edit mode and that your cursor is active somewhere on the page, so you can easily interact with the blocks. In Notion, every piece of content is a block, and databases like tables have their own block controls. Move your mouse over the table. As you hover near the top left corner of the table, you'll see a small handle appear. This looks like a group of 6 dots arranged in a rectangle. These 6 dots are the block menu for the entire table, not just for one row or column. If you don't see it right away, slowly move your cursor around the top left area of the table until it appears. Once the 6-dot handle is visible, click on it. This opens a menu that controls actions for that table block. From here, you can do things like move the table, turn it into another type of database view, or in this case, duplicate it. In the menu that appears after clicking the 6 dots, look for the option labeled Duplicate. Go ahead and click Duplicate. As soon as you do this, Notion will create an exact copy of that table right on your page. The duplicated table will include the same columns, properties, filters, and any sample data that existed at the time you duplicated it. You can now scroll to see where the new table has appeared, usually just below the original. Click into the title of the duplicated table to rename it, so you can easily tell it apart from the original. Then, clear or adjust any rows you don't need, and start using this new table for your next project or workflow. That's all you need to do. Hover